Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make this really 90s bouncy text effect in Adobe Illustrator. So let's jump right into it. Now first things we're going to do is grab our rectangle tool. We're going to make a rectangle as big as our artboard. And I'm just going to make it black, but you can make it whichever color you want. And I'm going to remove the stroke color by clicking here. Then I can lock my background in place so that I don't move it around like this for accident. And I can do that by pressing Command 2. Or you can also go to Object, Lock, Selection. And there you go. Grab our type tool now, and we're going to write our text. Let's write echo, and I'll hold down shift while I resize so that I resize properly. And I'm gonna leave the text the same color as the background, and I'm gonna give it a white outline. You can give it whichever color outline you prefer. I'm just gonna give it white just to remain simple. And I'll change my font to regular Helvetica bold. Right? Now, hold down Alt or Option key, click and drag to make a duplicate of this. Select both text copies and go to Object, Blend, Make. Then go to Object, Blend, Blend Options. Select specified steps, and we're gonna add a bunch of these. Kind of like this, and press OK. We're going to put this on the side for now. Now we're going to draw the bouncing text, the bouncing path, let's say, that we want our echo to make. And I'm going to do that by grabbing my brush tool. And I'm just going to draw the path I want my text to make. So kind of something like this. We're now going to select our text and our path and click on Object, Blend, Replace Spine. And look at how cool this looks. Bouncing text effect is already done. What you can do is, if you think you need more steps, or if you resized it and you want to have less of a stroke, you can just double click again, and you'll be back to your text. So you can also change word if you change your mind, as you can see. It's a really awesome effect. So let's see, I want to start off but with no stroke and then end up like that. That's pretty cool as well. Anyways, you can play around with this. There's so many different options you can use to make this look like it's coming out of the background or stuff like that. And yeah, that's basically it. I hope you liked this video. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and go check out my website. It's linked in my description below. Subscribe if you haven't already. And also take a look at my TikTok if you want. I post the shorter versions of these tutorials on there, so it's pretty interesting. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.